Hi, Robin Rose here with a slightly unusual because it's an indoor video for you today. But I'm guessing that you know about corn, that you maybe like corn. Um, but do you know about the silk? So, corn itself, the first thing I'm going to do to prepare for the silk is I'm going to take off this brown part, and that's going to go into the compost. So corn itself, if you don't have an allergy to corn, I know it's a common allergen, is a wonderfully keratin-rich food that's also got a lot of minerals like phosphorus in it. And I know some people love to grill it in the husk with the silk on it. But the reason I don't is because to me, this silk is the super valuable part of the corn. I mean, I like to eat corn, but corn silk is an amazing medicine. Zea mays is the botanical name for this, and when you want to get the silk, a really good way to do it is just to kind of carefully go around and around your cob of corn and peel down the husk little by little so that you don't rip through the silk. And if you try to do too many of these kind of pieces at once, you tend to rip up the silk. So just go around. It's like a meditation. Just go around and around and around. Am I in the camera? Let's see. There we go. Just pulling down the husk, and you can see more of this beautiful silk being revealed. And then what we would do with silk is we would use it for any kind of urinary challenges that were ranging from bacterial infection to irritation of the ureter or urethra. It's helpful for prostate pain. All right, so now I'm going to stop a minute, see what I've got. I'm taking the skirt, so to speak, the skirt off, and I'm going to save the silk. So I'm going to just take my corn and separate it from this part, the outer husk, and then I'm going to peel off this, whoops, sorry, I keep losing the screen. I'm going to just peel this silk, and I'm going to put it on the handy paper towel that I have waiting to store this. And here I'm just going to lift up the paper towel so you can see how simple this is, this technique for drying the silk. And I will spread it out a little bit on there. It's like beautiful hair. Anyway, I like to make tea. With the corn silk, it tastes just like corn. I also tincture the silk fresh by filling a jar full with silk and then filled again with 100 proof vodka, waiting 6 weeks. And then you have a wonderful medicine for men and women for, again, soothing urinary infections. Also, really well known and excellent in my experience for helping pregnant women who are experiencing swelling in their ankles because their kidneys are working overtime, 150% of normal, to help also filter for the baby that's growing inside. So now I've got my corn ready to eat. My pot's on the boil. I'll put this in for 3 quick minutes. It's right from a local farmer from the farmer's market. A little butter, a little salt, and heaven on earth. But also the added benefit of gathering my own corn silk is that it dries beautifully. It keeps this golden color. Many times when you buy it, it'll be kind of brown. If it still smells and tastes like corn, you can still definitely use that, but it's summer. So dry yourself some corn silk or make yourself some corn silk tea. You can use it preventatively. You can use it for bloating. You can use it for any kind of irritation in the urinary system. And I have found that men have told me it's been really helpful to them for benign swollen prostate. So green blessings and yellow blessings from the corn. And of course, corn has been a sacred plant to indigenous peoples of the Americas. It originated in, well, either Central America or Mexico or somewhere in South America. I read different things about that. Anyhow, green blessings to you in the summer. Enjoy. and take good care.